Automation is becoming essential in modern retail, with more and more processes shifting into the web browser. From testing and competitor monitoring to streamlining daily operations, AI is accelerating the change across the industry. In this video, we explore a powerful automation tool to see what's already possible and how it could shape the future of retail operations. We will investigate whether AI agents can autonomously perform tasks such as purchasing an item on Amazon or creating a basic action in a merchandising system. Hi, welcome to the next episode of Kickborn's AI video series. Imagine if you had an AI-powered personal assistant that could handle all your online tasks for you. This is the vision behind BrowserUse, an open-source AI agent that can automate a wide range of tasks and interactions for you. To run BrowserUse Web UI on our local machine, we need to download the GitHub repo and install the requirements first. Once the service is up and running, we can create tasks. In our first example, we will pick something simple. We leave the agent settings on default, and we only change the LLM to our local Olamos server. The task is to find some films on Amazon and add it to our basket. The numbered and colored rectangles show the interactive elements on the web page BrowserUse can take action on. Okay, this looked way too easy. For the next task, let's pick something more related. We will create a simple store-to-store transfer in our online merchandising system. The login was an easy step. Will it find its way around the menu options? It seems like we might need to be a bit more specific regarding the actions. So let's try it again, with more detail in the prompt. Maybe if we let it run longer, it would have found the tasks from the menu options. The task was not completed again. Maybe we need a better AI. We could try Google's Gemini 2.5. This already looks better than any of the previous tries. It couldn't enter the first location in fully and the second location at all, unfortunately. No success here again. When we previously tested, it was at this point where we really started to look into what actually is happening in the background, why our tasks keep failing. We suspected the AI might be struggling with the UI itself, so we created a step-by-step list of actions that the AI can follow. That was really close, but the AI hit the cancel button at the end. How is that happen, you may ask? When we look at the logs, it is clear the aim was to hit the OK button, and as far as the AI agent is concerned, it hit the OK button as well. Except, if you have a second look, it looks like it was the cancel button instead. To find out what the issue might be, we try to recreate the steps in Playwright, the browser engine behind BrowserUse. This way, we could eliminate the AI from the process to see if we succeed. We recorded the actions the AI should have taken. Actions Playwright uses by default are simply not enough to navigate correctly on this user interface. So we try to fix this in Playwright. We had to add many extra steps to make the UI behave the way we experience it when creating manual tasks. So what's the solution here? BrowserUse has an option to add custom functions. We could try to replicate the additional steps we added in Playwright in a custom function and let the AI pick this option when dealing with our merchandising UI. However, it is probably better to use an AI agent that can communicate with the merchandising system directly via the API. But that's a topic for another video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.